يعطيك العافية.
We'll have Mr. Mohammed bin Hamad Al-Ghazi from King Saud University.
Hello everybody, my name is Mohammed Al-Ghazi. I'm a fresh graduate architect and today I'm going to present my project. I hope you like it. First of all, the Red Sea project has 5 destinations, which are heritage, islands, nature, culture, and inland. I'm going to talk about how the heritage is an important element to the region and how it's connected to my project. Al-Hijaz region is a home for a lot of ancient and new civilizations, and it has a rich heritage. So some heritage architectural elements were integrated from the heritage architecture in this region into my project in a modern way without affecting the style of the context. The project, it is located in the coastal village in a neighborhood center. The program has 4 main functions, which are the multipurpose room, library, outdoor area, and utilities. This is the site analysis and shows how it affected the concept of the project. In this project, we can see that the neighborhood center, it contains a grand mosque, cafes, restaurants, and the project also. In the north area, there is the professional accommodation, and here, the family accommodation. I've started by extruding a shape that is similar to the site boundaries to optimize the use of the area. And this is the analysis of the views to the site from each side. So I have created a void in the center of the project, which can be a vital outdoor area that can be seen from all around the project, and it will attract visitors. These are the views to the outside from the project. We have 2 positive views. The first one is to the neighborhood center, and the other one, there is a relatively open large area on this side. So I have made use of the roof as a terrace to maximize the views towards the desired directions. The streets here are not for cars, it's for bikes and golf carts only. So most of the noises are coming from the neighborhood center. So I've positioned the multi-purpose rooms in the far corner to reduce the acoustical noise. This is the wind direction. In high humidity areas, the best way to lower the humidity is by strong airflow. So I have separated the spaces to create a path for the wind to ventilate the whole project. The sun path, I've used small windows and shading devices to lower the heat load. This is the architectural drawings. You can see the open area in the front of the project and how it's on the path of the neighborhood center. In the ground floor plan, we have the multi-purpose rooms in the far corner up, and also we have the library with its unique orientation. And in the far side, we have the reception, waiting areas, and other services. The upper floor is used as a terrace, as mentioned before, that can be accessed through an elevator or staircase. The building materials, the first one is called rammed earth, which is originally an ancient building method, but it's developed nowadays and it's durable. It's actually made from mix of materials that can be found in the site, which are clay, soil, and specific size of gravel. Some other companies add other materials. The other one, it is called gabion wall, which is a cover for an existing wall, and between those 2 walls there is an insulation panel. It is basically a cage full of gravel. Both of these materials have great insulation capabilities and high thermal mass. So you can see in the front elevation here, you can see the different materials. Also, the signage for the project is used by the same material. You can see the front elevation and how it's opened, welcoming, and it will pull people to explore it. In the section, you can see how the spaces are separated, and in certain areas, you feel like you are inside and outside in the same time. These are some heritage elements that were integrated into the project. The first picture is in Jeddah, Al-Balad. You can see the tiny openings up there. It's used in the same way in the project, which is trendy nowadays. The second picture in Al-Ula Heritage Village, the corridors were roofed by logs and timber. I used the same concept and the same material as shading devices to shade the corridors. The gap in wall here was actually inspired from the stone buildings near Al-Taif city. Also in the last picture, that's the Al-Bint Dam, which actually was built by the same materials as the rammed earth. Here's the project from another angle. A visualized image of the front area of the project. The main goal of the project is to make people socialize. So I have made use of the outdoor areas having outdoor activities that's suitable for all ages, and it's continuously changing from time to time, so people don't get bored from these activities. There's a couple of ideas, and also here's other examples. The sustainable solutions were mentioned briefly before. I have a one-minute animation. Thank you so much.